This is going to be like taking away a drug from a drug addict. So, let the series begin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt-free. Yes, you heard that right. 2025 is my year to be debt-free. I don't know exactly what month yet, but that's my goal. So for this coming year, I'm going to be doing a no spend challenge for 2025. I want to do the whole year, but we're going to do baby steps. We're going to do month by month. So, whew, guys. I'm a shopaholic. I love shopping. I love to spend when I'm sad. I love to spend when I'm, emotionally spender, basically. So yeah, so this one is gonna be a hard ride, okay? But we're going to try our best and attempt, because I've noticed if you don't try, when are you? When? And my why for not spending this year, guys, or trying not to spend this year, is because I want to be financially free. I want to be better with my money. I want to have better relationship with my money. I want to have better budgeting. You name it, So I am so excited for this ride. I'll be updating you guys every month or every so often. I don't know, but we're starting the series. We're going to see how 2025 is going to be. I don't know. It's going to be a heck of a year because, trust me, I love to shop. So I have limited myself one shopping spree, only one per month. That's it, one. Okay, my stores that gets me is TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Ross, and Starbucks. Okay, so that's my rule. I can only do it one time per month. That's it, no more. So basically, I'm only going to buy my necessary items, like essentials that I need. I'm not gonna buy anything else. Trust me thinking about it is just, wow, am I really gonna do this? Also, I want to see how much money I can pay towards my debt with no spending, you guys. Literally, that's what gets me all the time. I'm only allowed to buy items that I get money for. For example, Christmas is coming, so I know for a fact I'm gonna get money from my parents. So that is the only money I'm able to spend. Either I spend it on, I don't know, on summer, on my birthday, January, February, I don't know, but that's the only money I'm allowed to spend, is money that I get from other people, okay? Because that's not money for me, it's like gift money, right? Oh man, trust me, this is gonna be a hard one, guys. But I'm excited because it's definitely going to challenge myself. I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to challenge my money relationship as well, because guys, as we know, I'm not good with my money financially. And this year, I told myself this is the year to break all of those bad habits. I'm tired, like literally, I'm tired of going paycheck to paycheck. I'm tired of always having extra money, and then that extra money goes towards my debt. I'm tired of that. There's a time where you get tired, and I am tired. I'm tired. I'm not gonna buy any clothes. I have a bad habit of buying clothes. Oh, for next summer. Oh, for next winter. Oh, for fall. Literally, Alex knows that, which if you don't know, Alex is my husband. He knows that. Same. I do that with the kids and me and for him. I always buy clothes ahead of time. And that's just basically just spending money just because. And then maybe when that time comes, you forget you bought that. Like, it has happened to me so many times. So I'm not allowed to buy myself any clothes ahead of time. Like, I don't need clothes, y'all. I have thousands of clothes in my closet with tags since like a year or two back. It's just an add-on type of thing. Like, No. Another thing is jewelry, earrings especially. I love earrings, you guys. Earrings are just earrings, makeup, which makeup is like lipsticks. I just, those are my things, my weakness, and so I am not going to allow that. Not this year. No, boo-boo. You gotta get yourself better. Okay, I have my iPad here. I'm trying to remember what I wrote down. This year, I am treating myself. 2025, I'm treating myself. 2024, I did not treat myself. You guys know I barely had any time to even have time for myself. So this year, the only allowed thing that I'm going to do is do my nails. Guys, like getting my nails done has helped me out a lot. Like it helps me out a lot. Like it's just like me time, alone time, if that makes sense. Like I block everything else and I go get my nails done. So the only way I can get my nails done though is if I budget for it, which I am budgeting for it. You guys know, if you follow me, you know I've been budgeting for that. And yeah, I'm very close to finishing one of those challenges. And yeah, that's the only way I can get my nails done. Okay, that's it. I cannot get my nails done if I don't have the money for it, if I have not budget for it. But that's my only allowed thing that I'm gonna get each month, hopefully. Yeah, so the things that I will do is one shopping spree per month per store. That's it, right? That's the most I can do. I'm hoping I don't do any. Okay, I'm hoping I do 0. And then the other thing is, no matter what, I will allow it, is my nails. Okay, so I'm excited for this. Okay, I don't know, I really am. I hope you guys stick around with me on this journey. I will update you guys every single time, every month, hopefully, on my journey. Of course, you know, stuff happens. There'll be stuff that you know, out of the nowhere will happen and you have to buy it. Or, oh my gosh, look, there's a party coming and I legit don't have nothing, or I legit have 0 and like outfit, then okay, that's fine. But if I have an outfit and I wore that dress 20 times, oh well, I gotta wear that dress one more time. That'll be 21 times. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, I'm excited for this journey, you guys. Of course, I still have a few days to think about my don'ts and do's. I'm gonna be writing them down, and I'm excited for 2025, guys. 2025 is gonna be the year. Okay, it's gonna be the year. Even if you start baby steps, you guys, you need to start. Even if you're watching right now and you're thinking in the back of your head like, oh yeah, you know, I need to do this, baby, you got this. No matter what, don't let nobody put you down. Okay, do not let no one don't let no one step on you, basically. Okay, who cares if you tell your family members or your friends and they'll laugh at you and be like, how you are never gonna break this habit? Prove them wrong. Maybe this is the year to prove them wrong, because I've told my parents and my husband the same thing and they're always like, sure, whatever. And I'm like, you know, I'm freaking tired of that. I'm tired of that. So this year, I'm gonna prove them wrong. I mean, not just because to prove them wrong, but this year, I'm legit done. Like, I'm tired. I came to a point, which was last week, I legit cried on my way to work. And I'm like, I'm over this. Like, I've been thinking about it. I'm like, I'm so done with this. So, yeah. You get overwhelmed sometimes. But yeah, guys, okay. So, let this ride begin. And yeah. I'm so excited. I might create a playlist for this for Siri, because we're gonna do this together. We got this. We got this. All right, guys. I see you on the next one. Bye. I love ya.